Hey YouTube, it's my Pudge123. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Swiss Army mini pocket knife. It's about an inch or two big. I'm missing the tweezers because I dropped them and then I think my dad threw them away. But it's okay. This is the toothpick on it, which it's basically inch and a half big by half centimeter, and it's a really good toothpick, but I use it to clean my shoes because they have crevices in them. But then the tweezers would go right there. They're basically two sides of the toothpicks, but metal and more durable. Victorinox Swiss Army. I had keyring on it, but I took it off. It's got a very sharp knife when you get it. Like, redefines the definition of sharp. I got cut to my bone when I first got it, cut into something open. I should have got stitches, but I didn't. And it's got a nail file with a screwdriver on the end. The screwdriver works really good. That's the knife. Inch big. All attachments are inch big except the scissors, which is about inch and a half. No, they're about an inch. This is the scissors. They work really good. If I had something to stab in that, I'd show you, but I'm not going to take any risks because that's kind of how the second time I got cut with that happened. I got for $10.49 or something. No, $9.49 or to $10.50 or something like that in my local Meijer. I get a lot of my stuff there. And they're pretty good. It's a pretty good knife, I'll tell you that. It's durable because it's Swiss Army, handmade. It's a pretty good knife. I prefer to buy it. If I go with any type of knife, I'll go with Swiss Army from now on. Thank you for watching.